exercise to work out, of which in Division 3 at the moment, which goes from the Runaway Bay shops all the way up to Uwalpa Road in Pimpamar, we had about 33,500 voters. Donna, who's in Division 1, had 34,000 voters, and obviously these numbers are increasing dramatically north of the Coomera River. To contrast that, Councillor Taylor, who represents Division 10 in Broadbeach, has 23,000. Now, that's clearly shows that things were out of whack, and you've got to be within a margin of 10% either side of the median point, if you like. So we were well out of whack, 2 of us way over and 1 way under. So the Minister gave notice to the ECQ to undertake a boundary review. I put in a submission which has been published and has been referred to in the newspaper, I think, and that was that we just simply leave things very much how they are here, well, through the vast majority of the city, and that we would cut off the quadrant north of the Coomera River and east of the M1 and make that a 15th division, if you like. So effectively, I would give that bit and Donna would give her bit there, and it would sort of form the new division. And just in terms of numbers, it worked out pretty well. The Change Commission haven't done that. They've made minor changes to a number of divisions. They've made a substantial change in and around Burleigh. Not that, you're probably not overly familiar with that area, but there's a big change there. They were sensible enough to keep areas like Southport, Nerang, and some of those other key centres under single representation. At one point there was a proposal to put a boundary basically halfway through Southport, which just is ridiculous. So, no one would want to see that. It was so far over, it was always going to have a big change. And so the proposal is essentially that it gets cut into 3 pieces. North of the river goes into a division up there, which is called number 3. Hope Island effectively joins into what is now number 2, and south of the bridges joins into what is now number 4. Now that's...
Is that only council?
Just council, yeah. So we had a state boundary realignment just before David's last election, and that was when there was actually some new seats added through the state of Queensland. They put 4 more in. So that's the current proposal. I'm not getting too excited about it because I will respect whatever the decision is. The vast majority of the current Division 3, both geographically and in terms of numbers, is contained in this new area around here. And so, I'll just wait and see what happens. Everyone's been speculating about this for months. They've probably been talking to David as much as they've been talking to me about, what do you think's going to happen and where do you think they're going to be? And I said, look, just chill out, guys, because we don't get to control it. So we'll see what happens. But they'll fall where they fall. And people, I was quoted in the paper today as saying people are not interested in what the numbers are, what the number is called. Most people don't even know what the number is. They just want good representation, and when they get to the ballot box, they'll make that decision. So, wherever it is that I nominate, I hope that I've got a good track record and I get your support. So, yeah.